The different municipalities and city comprising the province of La Union in Region 1 or Ilocos region. The province of La Union has the city of San Fernando as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 1 or Ilocos region. It is composed of 1 city, 19 municipalities, and 576 barangays. It was founded on March 2, 1850, and the total land area is 1,497.70 kilometers squared or 578.27 square miles. The province of La Union is bordered clockwise from the north by Ilocos Sur, Benguet, Pangasinan, South China Sea, and the Lingayen Gulf. Here are the different municipalities and city comprising the province of La Union in Region 1 or Ilocos region. We have the municipality of Agoo with 49 barangays, municipality of Aringay with 24 barangays, municipality of Bacnotan with 47 barangays, municipality of Bagulin with 10 barangays, municipality of Balawan with 36 barangays, municipality of Bangar with 33 barangays, municipality of Bawang with 39 barangays, and the municipality of Burgos with 12 barangays. We also have the municipality of Caba with 17 barangays, municipality of Luna with 40 barangays, municipality of Nagilian with 37 barangays, municipality of Pugo with 14 barangays, municipality of Rosario with 33 barangays, the city of San Fernando as the capital city, the provincial center or the provincial capital, as well as the regional center with 59 barangays, and the municipality of San Gabriel with 15 barangays. And also the municipality of San Juan with 41 barangays. We also have the municipality of Santo Tomas with 24 barangays, municipality of Santol with 11 barangays, municipality of Sudipin with 17 barangays, and the municipality of Tubao with 18 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities and city comprising the province of La Union in Region 1 or Ilocos region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.